There were the dicky shocks had to be changed, the back bumper had to be fit, the front bumper had to be fit, a little bit of painting work had to be done on the door handle. So all that is done, and the car is back from service and it is driving all neat and clean now. Car's looking and feeling a lot clean. So let's see how the car is faring on. So overall the pickup seems to have improved by changing the coolant and engine oil and getting the basic general service and underbody fully clean with oil. So it frees up all the dust and makes most of your parts of the car actually perform well. So So basics about this car, this is a 2013 model. It's a single owner, done about 49,000 kilometers. As I mentioned, I just got it back from service. I have done quite a bit of work on this vehicle, nothing major, but all little work that makes the car run smoother. So here I am trying to take it on a small drive and see. So here you can see the advantage of a Micra. The turning is easier in this car. It's got a brilliant turning radius. So let's take it for a small spin and see how it fares. So AC is cooling well. The road noise is less now because I have put this flap over the wheel arch. The radio is now working because I have put the antenna. So all in all, this car seems to be good, and I am going to be putting it on sale soon. Nobody wants to move. Lower horsepower than the other Micra. It has lesser features. This is the XV variant. This is supposed to be the top end variant, but it does not come with airbags. It's a basic car. You have 4 power windows, 4 power steering. You have your all the other basic features this car has. It doesn't have airbags, it doesn't have alloy wheels, it doesn't have ABS. So safety features wise, you've got to understand this car is a little strong and it will protect you. Not as much as an